Hello pineapple fans and not pineapple fans, my name is Mr. Pineapple and welcome to the Pineapple Show. And on today's show, our guests are the Animal Group. So Animal Group. The first question, I'm gonna ask you, Mr. Zebra. Okay, Mr. Zebra, will you please get up, Mr. Zebra? Stay like that. Okay. Do you think pineapples can talk? Yes, pineapples can talk. No, they can't. Be quiet. I taught him a little lesson, that stupid zebra. Okay, who else? You, sleeping puppy. Get up. Get up, you little puppy. What's your name? My name's Sparkle. Okay. Do you think pineapples can talk? Yes, pineapples can talk. No, they can't. Let me put you. Hey, where'd you go? Why? Oh my! Oh no! Don't hurt me! Ow! 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 Don't do that! Don't.
Oh, hey, Jeff! You talk about me!
No! Hey!
It's me,